Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Preppers. So this video is about Nampo and the President of South Africa going to Nampo. So it is quite shocking to me that the President of South Africa went to the Nampo exhibition. So for my foreign viewers, Nampo is an agricultural show or agricultural exhibition of a lot of products relating to the agricultural sector. It is also the biggest agricultural exhibition or show in the Southern Hemisphere. So our president or the President of South Africa went to visit this show as a farmer. Now we all know that he does own a farm, a wildlife / cattle farm, Pala Pala. You all know the stories about Pala Pala and the corruption that took place there. But anyway, and quite ironic, his foreman is a white man as well. But anyway, so what's shocking to me, we all know that Grain SA is the host of Nampo. And if I'm not mistaken, Nampo started in something like 1967 in Bloemfontein. And then they bought their own premises just outside Bothaville. And every year you have this massive agricultural show. So what's shocking to me is that the same president that signed the expropriation bill, and just bear with me, the same president that signed the expropriation bill, the same president that denies farm killings and farm murders, the same president that reckon white people does not want to accept and embrace the new South Africa, pitch up at the agricultural show, the same people that he wants to disown of their land and their property, because expropriation of property is everything you own. That includes your shoes and your underwear, your bank account, your pension fund, your cell phone. I think if they could expropriate your mother-in-law, they would probably do that as well. For some of us, that would be good. But anyway, so he is so arrogant that he pitches up at Nampo, and Nampo receives him with welcoming hands, to such a degree that white farmers are taking photos with this individual. I am absolutely shocked. I cannot believe the same person that is not willing to protect you, the same person that is willing to take your property, and the same person that is denying that farmers are especially vulnerable to crime because they are isolated, they are on their own, pitches up at Nampo like nothing is wrong. It just shows you the hypocrisy of Grain SA. Now, I've said this many times before. Grain SA is but one of the puppets of the ANC government, because they are using Grain SA as a mouthpiece to try and talk to farmers and make them believe that they need to transform and diversify. Now, how can you go to Nampo, walk inside of this massive exhibition, and you walk past this guy, this man called Cyril Ramaphosa, you take a selfie and you do fuck all? I just want to tell people that actually saw President Ramaphosa at Nampo, I just want to tell you that you are fucking weak. You are part of the problem. How can you allow a person like Ramaphosa walking amongst you at Nampo, okay? He doesn't care about your safety. He wants to take your property because he signed that bill into law. He's busy signing into law more race-based laws against you, so you cannot export your produce, yet you allow him to walk amongst you. I am disgusted. To be very honest with you, thank God I didn't go to Nampo, because what a terrible situation. What a terrible place to be. Anyway, that is me. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.